Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the part 2 from the topic called Arpeggios. Now today we are going to do label these one octave arpeggios. Okay, we have to label the what scale and is it going down or up like ascending or descending order. Okay, we can see the first clef is our tenor clef, and tenor clef, this is the fourth line and that is our C sharp. So we'll write down the note first, then this one is our G sharp, then we have E, and then we have C sharp again. See, the first thing to see that to identify any scale, you can check the first and the last note. Mostly the song starts on the first, the note which is given in the first and the last. Mostly the scale starts or end on that scale. So one clue we have got that this is C sharp minor. Now let's check second part we can check is in C sharp minor scale, we know. Let's check the write down the scale. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. C is sharp, okay, F is sharp, C sharp, G is sharp, and D is sharp. Okay. Now we have four sharps, and the note for arpeggios we're gonna use the first degree, third degree, and the fifth degree, and then the last one. Okay. So now we can see this is we have C sharp here, we have G sharp, and we have E, and we have C sharp. That means we are sure that this is C sharp minor scale. Okay, so we'll write here C sharp minor descending, then ascending. Okay, so make sure you mention that is a descending order and then ascending order. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Next one, let's write down the notes again. This is a treble clef. The first note is F sharp, then we have C sharp, then we have A, and then we have F sharp again. So that means it's starting something from F sharp. Okay, so that means we remember there's in F sharp minor, we have three sharps as a key signature. Let's check that. If we have, so we got an idea that this is something related to F sharp minor. So let's check in F sharp minor. We'll write down the notes here. So F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. We know we have three sharp, that is F, C, and G. Okay. Now if you check, we have used in this, we have F sharp, we have A, and we have C sharp. So we have these three notes. That means this is for sure F sharp. So we write down here F sharp minor descending, then ascending. Okay. I hope you understood. If you have any problem, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Okay. Next one, let's write down the note first. So we have, this is bass clef. This is the fifth line. So we have A flat, right? Then we have E flat. Then we have C. And then again we have A flat. Okay. Now, if we check according to the tuning, the first note and the last note, we're starting on A flat and finishing also on A flat. So A flat we know is a major scale, A flat major, which has four flats as a key signature. So let's write down, if we remember, let's write down the scale first. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. So we have beat, B, E, A, and D as flats, right? Now let's check. So we can see in this one, we have used our A flat, C, and E flat, which is a part of an arpeggio of A flat major scale. So let's write down here. We got our answer. It is A flat major descending, then ascending. Okay, let's do the last one. So last one we can see is a treble clef, and they have given the key signature, and it has four flats. So four flats key signature we know. Okay, let's write down the notes again. So this is treble clef, and this is F, this is A, this is C, and then again F. So this one is easy to identify because if we go, let's find out F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. So we remember that it's F minor. If we play, F minor has four flats, that is B, E, A, and D flat. Okay. Now for the arpeggio, let's check the confirmation. We need F, we need A flat, and we need C. So if we see, we have F, okay, as a natural here. A we have here as a key signature is A flat, and then C we have natural here. So that means we have confirmed that this is F minor ascending, then descending. Okay. So this was the only one which was ascending and then descending. So I hope you have understood this question and how to solve it. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. Please share, like, and subscribe as much as you can do. They're gonna help me out so I can make more video. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.